Linear perspective. In drawing up perspectives, horizontal line plays a very important role. The level of eye and horizontal line along with the vanishing point will decide how a picture would look. In case of one point perspective, there is one vanishing point on the horizontal line and all lines meet up at that point. For drawing shapes, the lines from the extremities are to be drawn till the vanishing point. These extra lines can be removed later on. In case of two-point perspective, there are two vanishing points on the horizontal line and the controlling lines meet up there. In case of three-point perspective, another vanishing point is chosen above or below the horizontal line depending on the eye level. Atmospheric perspective. The far-off objects appear lighter and duller, whereas nearby objects appear darker and brighter. This will be better understood when we deal with colored mediums. Drawing from life. We can draw either looking at a reference photo or live object or even imagine. When drawing by seeing live objects like a scenery or figure such as human beings or animals, the measurements can be taken using a pencil or scale. But the trick is you have to measure from the same spot and angle. You cannot change them. For symmetrical shapes, it is better to draw the center line and then take measurements along. For example, bottles, human face, any geometrical shape. For figures, a stick drawing can be made first and then it can be built up. All other features, including landscape, the outline should be drawn and checked for proportionality. Then the details can be drawn and thereafter shading can be done. Drawing from photo or reference. While drawing from a reference or photo, a grid can be created by making squares on the photo first and correspondingly on the drawing surface. The size on the drawing surface can be same or proportionately increased or decreased. Thereafter, the contour lines can be drawn and the drawing can be made. You can use a proportional divider also for this purpose. The divider can be adjusted to the enlargement ratio and the measurements can be taken from the reference and then transferred to the drawing surface. If the reference photo and the drawing are of same size, a normal divider also can be used. Drawing face male front view. Though each face has different characteristics, a male face in general has a ratio like this. While looking from front, the head fits in 7 units by 5 units boxes. Width of the eye is roughly 1/5 of the width of the head, that is 1 unit. Space between the eyes is 1 unit. Width of nose is 1 unit distance between the eyes. Eyes are halfway down the head. This is where many of us go wrong. We tend to place the eyes much above. Hairline is 1 unit from top of the head. Nose is 1.5 units from eye level downwards. That is 5 units from top of the head. Bottom of lower lip is 1 unit above chin. Ears are bottom of nose till eyebrow line, that is 2 units. Drawing face male side view. The same face when we look from side would fit in 7 units by 7 units boxes. Front edge of the eye is 1 unit back from the tip of the nose. Ear is 1 unit wide, 4 units from tip of nose, 2 units from back of head. Nose projects half a unit ahead from the face edge. Drawing face female, front view. Female heads too almost follow the same ratio, though the cheekbones won't be that pronounced and the eyes and nose would be slender. Drawing face female, side view. The side view too proportionally almost fits into 7 by 7 boxes. However, features of nose, eyes, lips and hair change accordingly. For a full figure, roughly the ratio used is that the head length fits 8 times in the entire body. So while standing straight, head is 1 unit, head to chest is another unit, chest to navel is another unit, navel to thigh is 2 units, another unit to knee and 2 more units to the feet. That brings us to end of this video. Keep watching for the next video, color theory. Thank you.